Hello guys, welcome back to on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how we can make bootable USB for Windows installation. So there is a two procedure for bootable USB creation procedure. One is offline procedure, second is online procedure. For offline we need ISO window installation ISO file, and for second one we can install or we can make bootable USB with Microsoft media creation tool. So for every window there is a separate media creation tool available on Microsoft website. How we can download that one and how we can make bootable USB that with that media creation tool, I will show you. First I will try with offline. So for offline we need this Rufus software for bootable USB. So this software is easily available on Google. So you guys can download from Google, or if you need you can contact me. I will share with Google Drive link. So let's start. So for offline or online we need minimum 8 GB USB. So I will connect with my laptop. So you can see guys, here USB detected 8 GB. Now we need ISO file, window ISO file. So I have in download, I have Windows 11 24H2 version. Then click on start. Then press OK. We'll start creation of bootable USB. Maybe it will take 5 minutes. So guys, don't be confused about these options. No need to change. All are okay, already selected. So just select ISO file, window ISO file, and then start. It will create automatically bootable USB for Windows installation. Any window you can make bootable USB, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 8, Windows 10, Windows 11, or any Windows servers, Windows 12, 16, 19, 22. Now it's copying the ISO files. So guys, offline bootable USB creation is running. So I will show you how we can take that media creation tool from Microsoft website. So let's open Google. Right here, media creation tool, Windows 11, which you window want. You can select here Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7. I am downloading for Windows 11. Open this first link. Windows download Windows 11. This link I will share in description. You guys can download. So open this link. Come down and create Windows 11 installation media. So download from here. This is media creation tool for Windows 11. Once finish this offline bootable USB creation, so then I will start that. So guys, this near to finish. After this, we'll start online procedure. Media creation tool already we downloaded from Microsoft website. After this, we'll start. So guys, our bootable USB is ready to use. I will show you. Now I will eject and I will insert again. It will show bootable USB. Now showing simple USB. So I will eject this USB, then I will insert again. So guys, you can see now showing bootable USB. Now this USB ready to use. So now I am going to format this USB for next procedure. So I will format this USB. I am formatting for your better understanding. Maybe you guys will confuse if I keep like this. So that's why I formatted. So let's start with media creation tool. This is for Windows 11. So guys, if you use online procedure, then Microsoft will give latest version of your required window. If you downloaded media creation tool for Windows 11, so if you download Windows 10, it will give latest version. If you use offline, then you should have ISO file, and whatever you version want, you can make bootable USB for with that version. So now we are going to start online procedure. Our laptop connected with Wi-Fi. You can see here. So right click on this setup, run as an administrator, click on yes. So you guys can see our USB already connected. This media creation tool gives two options. If you want to upgrade your window, you can upgrade. If you want to make only bootable USB or CD, you can make. Accept term and condition. So now I am going to make only bootable USB. I will show you what is the procedure for that. You can see here showing Windows 11, language also United States. If you want to change, uncheck this one, recommended, and here you can change language. You cannot change window edition, so better select this one and press next. Here it's giving you want to download ISO file or you want to make USB flash drive. So we are going to make USB flash drive bootable, so click on next. Here showing our removable drive USB. So we'll click on next. So it started now. Thank you guys for stay calm. It's going to finish. So now it's bootable USB after finish the progress to 100%. Now it's verifying your download. Two or 3 minutes. Ready to use after 100%. So let's wait for 100%. So guys, now finish. Now our USB ready to use. Just click on finish. Okay. Now you can see. First we'll remove this USB, then it will show. Reject first. Connect again. So guys, you can see it's showing bootable sign also. So this way, these two way you can use for your USB make bootable. One is offline, second is online. So I will prefer online because it will give latest version. If you want older version, then you can use offline procedure. So thank you guys for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share. Thank you. Bye bye.